clear things get. Once they're already gone. I didn't see the small signs, the pauses in your tone. I thought silence meant comfort, not something overgrown. I assumed there'd be more time, more chances to adjust. I didn't think the ordinary days were the ones I missed the most. Some lessons come late, after the moment's past. Clarity shows up quietly, when there's nothing left to ask. Some truths arrive slowly, after pride dissolves. You understand the weight of things when you can't resolve them anymore. I mistook familiarity for something guaranteed. Thought effort could be postponed, like it would wait for me. I spoke less than I should have, listened less than I could. By the time I found the right words, they no longer did any good. Some lessons come late, not as punishments, just fact. You see the shape of what you have, once you can't get it back. Some realizations don't scream, they settle in. They change how you move forward, even if they can't change what's been. It's easy to be wise in hindsight, to trade